Though it's a sunny day and a long way to a place, a destination. So in this meantime, we are here in search of something that is nowadays not available in many places. So right now I'm here at Dabang village. I know nowadays what we need or what the people in those back days, they actually have used to catch fish wherever they go, wherever in the river. It was always there, but nowadays there is no anything, there's no sort of finding. So in this meantime we are finding some worms in the ground so that we can make a trap in the this hook and catch the fish. Now we are looking for the worms. Here they are, they're very really expert in finding this. Oi. Is there any worm? Earthworms.
We found one.
Using earthworms is also one of the tactics to catch the fishes in the early days. So we are following the same. What a beautiful village it is, full of scenario. See, this is a jackfruit tree. This one hillock. Okay, we have got some earthworms, pure one. By these earthworms we are going to catch them. So this is the material we are going to use now. Actually we call it vorki in a local dialect, and this garden is plantation of rubbers. We have heard that many type of fish is found in the pond. So actually the pond is to preserve the fish. I am wandering through this small road which will lead to the pond. See how beautiful the nature is. It's almost sunset in this afternoon. Just now I have encountered through this road which has resulted in this. You can see my legs. Okay, heading towards the destination. Oh, another garden again. Rubber plantation everywhere. So again we are somewhere here. Another garden, another villager's garden. It's full of sugar cane. What I was speaking before, that nowadays we people, by the changing of time, by the changing of nature and all, the fish is not available in every river, as you can search or hear news or everywhere. This has become extinct. Somehow we are trying the primitive way, taking the earthworms for the trap to put the earthworms in the hook and feed the fish, and after that catching the fish. So these are full of enge, we call it. In English, I don't know, but Hindi, kachupata. The road leads here. So this garden, see here, this tree, you see this plant. This plant provides potato, sweet potato. We call it in angan. Furthermore, it's green all over. Guys, we have now reached the destination. This place, it is called to be, there lives a big python, anaconda, under this phone. We're trying up the best to set the position. One position has been taken, another is there. This is actually the primitive way to catch the fish. So both of them are here. I will set my trap there. Wah! Yes. One piece. बहुत बढ़िया. चलो निकाल लो उसको. So this fish is called talo in Adi. See me, show me. दिखाओ. Okay, this is called talo. After fishing for half an hour, finally we have found some amount of fishes. These are called talu in our dialect. Talu fishes from this phone. As you can see, this is how we are setting up. Whew. This is also another level of adventurous things which comes under daily activities that one must do. The hybrids found in these ponds are of cat pieces, which are locally in the mountains. It is situated. They are like the blood relations of tadpole. Look how this boy is fishing it. He has the patience, pure no movement. Look the position of his fishing style. I hope he catches one. We are waiting for him to catch the fish. We had set many of the traps, some there and some this way. Let's go and find out. One of our friend has said he had got something. Have you got anything?
Yes.
Oh, some bunch of pieces. Okay. Keep fishing. Here's another trap. Have you got something? Oh, you also got this. Wow. Some sort of pieces here. Yeah, boy. So this is also one of the legendary act performed by this boy. Guys, it doesn't matter how much amount we cost the fish, but what matters most is that we have enjoyed this moment together with these young boys and also with our friends. This actually matters in this phone. So in this, whenever you find a phone like this, you have just take some earthworms and make a bamboo like this and put a rope upon it, and you can find a one another fisherman has come, just arrived right now. Another fisherman has arrived right now. Bobby. So here is the main fisherman. Bobby, tell me, how can we fish more fishes from the pond?
मिलता है
कैसा करके मिलेगा?
बरो की
बताइए
देखो ना, ये कारगी है।
कैसा मछली मिलेगा?
कारगी केगू लगा के उसके बाद कैसे लगा के मारेगा।
इसके बाद यहाँ पे क्या क्या मछली मिलेगा?
इसमें तालू मिलेगा, दूसरा नहीं मिलेगा,
सिर्फ तालो ही मिलेगा।
Right?
Just as we were going back, one of the senior most villager came here to fish. So guys, right now we are headed back towards the village. Just we enjoy this moment. This is the view of the village and this is the road. Dikha chuka hai pehle. All total we have gathered some little amount of fish, but it doesn't matter because we have enjoyed a lot. I learned fishing, the primitive way of fishing. Okay, take care. Tata, bye bye.